y'all, welcome to my channel, Thrifty Tashi. Today is the day I'm going to reveal my laundry room makeover. Now, did it go quite as I planned? No, it did not. But my laundry room looked better than it did before, and I stuck to my budget. So that's the main part. So yeah, let's get into it. First, I'm going to show y'all how everything was before. Then I'm going to show y'all the end result. So here's the before look of my laundry room area. It's right off my kitchen. The idea is to create a functional, organized space. I'm not only using this area for laundry reasons, but it's going to be somewhat of a pantry. So I've decided to keep these cabinets up. I'll save a lot of money that way as well. My original idea was to ask my husband to take these cabinets down, and I was going to do like open shelving, but I didn't want to spend money, y'all. So, and they're solid wood, so I think that'll be great to keep those there. Clear all of this out. And this is another cabinet as well, perfect for storage. I cleared everything out of the laundry room before I started to deep clean. And look at all of this stuff, y'all, on my table. I cannot believe I was hoarding all of these things. So pretty much I'm just going through each item, tossing out what's not necessary. And then I tried to create some type of organization. So I was wiping down inside of this cabinet, and I took out the shelves. Look at this, y'all. How retro is that? Here, I'm just trying to freshen up those shelves. I couldn't remove that old wax buildup, but I figured it was fine enough. And my husband here is helping me on day 2. He removed the dryer, and y'all, look at the floors. Absolutely disgusting. I'm kind of ashamed to show y'all, but this is reality. I had to pretty much deep clean this entire area. I couldn't document the whole experience because, y'all, when I'm cleaning, I'm cleaning. I don't have time to record or anything. This is real life. And I did do a little touch-ups of paint here and there as well. But overall, y'all, even before I added my decor, it looks absolutely amazing when it's just deep clean. So even if you don't have decor to add to your space, deep cleaning every nook and cranny in your home definitely make a huge difference. Y'all, so now is the time to reveal my laundry room area. But first, I want to show y'all these beautiful curtains that I purchased off of Amazon a few years ago, and I'm still in love with them. Originally, it was in my living room space, but since we elevated the curtain rod, they're a little too short. But I just thought it fit perfectly here in my kitchen space. It's a perfect way just to, you know, hide the laundry room area, especially when we have visitors over. So I just thought this was a great way to add that privacy along with that country cottagey kind of look. All right, so now let's check out my laundry room space. All right, y'all, so here's my laundry room area. I love how everything came out, and it motivates me to do laundry. So now I don't have much space to work with, as y'all can see. I wanted to create a more functional yet stylish kind of area. These baskets that I thrifted are perfect for storage. Like, I have my cleaning towels in here, and I place my onions and potatoes there. So great way to access, especially when I'm cooking. And in the windowsill, I have my vintage washboard, a fresh plant, which I love adding greenery throughout my entire home just to add freshness, and it just beautifies that space and it doesn't look so dry. You know. Now here, the bleach is what it is, y'all. I didn't know where to place it, and I use it all the time, so I just kept it there. Now on this wall here, I did paint it, and I have these, I don't know what to call it, y'all, but it's great for hanging your brooms and your mops. I did order that a long time ago, but the house did come with these hooks up there, and it comes in handy, especially just to hang all of my mops and brooms and everything. Oh, and this is the garbage can that I thrifted from the Goodwill as well for only $10, y'all. So I love looking for high quality pieces, especially when I'm out thrifting. That's not just decor related, you know. But let me wrap y'all around. It's not much to see because it's so small. And I did keep these cabinets here. Now, my original idea was to tear them down, put some beautiful shelving, but y'all, like I said, I wanted to stick with my budget, and these are solid wood cabinets. Now inside, it's nothing in there much but my husband's tools, and we are definitely going to work on that. But it's pretty much empty. So that's going to be a summer project. We have to go through his tools and organize it. And I think that'll be a great way to store it since we don't have a garage. Now here in this area, y'all, I thought it was just so cute to put these canisters here that I thrifted. And I love the pop of color in this area. I did add my essential oils in this one, but these are empty. I was trying to cover the breaker box, so I just simply ordered this off of Amazon. It was only a few dollars, y'all. Just a simple way to cover a breaker box, and it's not even covering the entire breaker box, but it is what it is. I also wanted to paint all of this, but we didn't get to that, y'all. Now here on top of the dryer, I have all of my thrift finds that I use. I have my tray and this huge canister here that I got from the Goodwill, along with this scoop, perfect to store my powdered detergent in. And I have my little hand, again, for storing cleansers and stuff like that. So this is how I utilize some of my thrifted pieces in my home. It's not just for decor, but I just try to think of ways that it'll serve me as well in my home. All right, so lastly, in this upper right cabinet, as y'all saw, just cleaned it out, painted the shelves, and using it for extra storage. I can finally check this laundry room makeover off of my to-do list. I still have a little organization to do within the cabinets, but that's a different day. Thanks y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and most importantly, were inspired to create cozy spaces in your home, especially if you're on a budget. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up as well. All right, be blessed, y'all.